Hi guys, welcome back to my page. So today I'm going to show you how to select a font and change it to a writing font. I get a lot of questions asked of how to, when they select a font and when it draws it doesn't actually come out in a writing style. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So the first thing that you need to do is to go to Cricut Design Space and add a text. So I'm just going to write my name. And obviously people would have this and they'd cut it or draw it, but it wouldn't be like this. So if I wanted that exact font in a writing font, all I would do is go up to where it says operations and I would click on pen, and that will come out as a writing font. Now I also get asked about how to find writing fonts. So all you need to do is just click the fonts, and where it says filter, just go down to where it says writing, and then you want to look for ones that just say writing, and they will come out like thin as if you were writing them. So if I go for Storyteller, it just says writing. If I click on that, it will change. Do you see, it's just a single line. It's a much better writing font. And that, guys, is how you choose a writing font in Cricut Design Space.